the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated and ventilated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a bed liner, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.